Hello and good afternoon. We're going to spend some time talking about the organization of matter. Now, the overall goal that we're looking at here is we want you to be able to differentiate between the different types of matter. This video isn't going to be long because, again, it's just a review of the material that we've covered before. Now, the first thing that we want to look at is the types of changes that we're going to undergo when we look at our chemical reactions. Now, there are a couple of different ones. You've heard these before. First off, chemical change, where we're actually going to change the composition of the substance. It's going to lead to things like changes in color. We're going to be rearranging those particles in a way that they form something different, something new. Whereas a physical change is just going to be changing the actual structure or appearance. So if I were to take a piece of paper and tear it, or bend a piece of aluminum foil, the material is still the same. It's still aluminum foil. I've just changed the shape of the appearance. I haven't changed anything about the arrangement of the particles. Now, what you're going to spend some time doing throughout this next unit, or as we continue this, we're going to go down to what is called the particle level. We're going to look at the individual particles of our substances and see how we can actually understand physical and chemical changes based on that level. Here's a chart to remind us of the breakdown. Matter falls into one entire category here. Then we have our pure substances versus our mixtures. Pure substances being made up of elements and compounds. And then we have our types of mixtures, heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. You'll hear these terms a lot throughout the year, and just make sure that you can distinguish between the two. Again, hetero, different; homo, similar. So solutions would be here, our homogeneous, and our hetero would be the ones that we can distinguish between the different parts. Our compounds, characteristics, they can only be separated by chemical means, and they all have definite composition. Last but not least, our elements, which we always deal with. Simplest form keeps all of the properties together. That's where we're going to end this video off. Thank you for watching, and leave any comments if you have any questions.